Dollar Tree is raising their prices. As soon as the news broke, I knew I had to make a video about it. I've been making Dollar Tree organizing and hack content on YouTube for the past 10 years. I've gotten so many questions from you guys, and yes, I've got opinions on the matter. And more than that, I want to dish some secrets. What's still going to be a good deal at Dollar Tree, and how do you find the best store? My most asked question. So without further ado, let's get into it. For the past 35 years, Dollar Tree has been the only true dollar store with the slogan, "Everything's a dollar." It's crazy to think about. Back in 1986, $1 would be about $2.50 today due to inflation, but they've still kept the $1 price point. At the time of filming, starting next month in select stores around the country and fully rolled out by the beginning of 2022, Dollar Tree will increase their prices from $1 to $1.25. Dollar Tree made a statement saying that this change is permanent. I called around to a few stores in my area. They haven't made the change yet, but plan to in April of next year, according to the employees. According to the store, this helps with operating costs, paying employees a fair wage, and it also helps bring back products that they had to discontinue because they couldn't sell them for just $1. Forbes gave a survey, I'll be sure to link it down below, and 91% of customers said it would not impact their desire to shop at the Dollar Tree. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments down below. This is not, however, Dollar Tree's first rodeo. This year, they also launched the Dollar Tree Plus section of many stores, which they're rolling out around the country and continue to expand with items priced up to $5. I've shared lots of deals from that section on this channel, and while I do think some of the items are overpriced, lots of them are a great deal and a really affordable price point for those looking to furnish and decorate their homes. Plus, they'll be rolling out another 1,500 Dollar Tree Plus stores, plus another 5,000 by 2024. Interestingly enough, on Dollar Tree's website, if you plan to order things in bulk, everything is still listed as $1 at the time of this video's recording. What do I think about it? Honestly, I'm shocked that everything has been $1 for this long. And I do think it's really important that we pay staff and employees a living wage. I also understand how communities may be very affected by this, who cannot afford groceries at other stores, and how this could hit them especially hard. I do think I'm going to be continuing to watch YouTube videos just like this one so I can learn to shop there smarter. Ultimately, I think this is the straight scoop. If the vast majority of Dollar Tree stays $1.25 to $1.50, I still think lots of people will shop here because the prices are still very, very competitive, especially because there are rising costs everywhere. However, the more items that creep up to $3 and $5, I think they need to start improving their inventory. Remember, the Dollar Tree bought out Family Dollar, so this is on one end of the competition, and the Dollar General recently opened Pop Shelf with tons of items at that $3 to $5 price point that are very quality. So Dollar Tree, if you're listening, keep the majority of your store very competitive, and when you bring in those higher priced items, make sure they're awesome quality, because that is what I think is going to bring people into the store. But I don't know, you tell me what you think in the comments below. Okay, so this leads me to the next part of the video, which is how to find the good stores and the things that are still a truly good deal from the Dollar Tree. You want to go onto their store locator. The bigger the store, and if that store has a Dollar Tree Plus section, the more likely it is to have a wider range of inventory. And the way to find Dollar Tree Plus, it's now on their website, and it didn't used to be. Go onto the store locator, type in your area, and you can see which stores have a Dollar Tree Plus, so you can find some of those killer items. Even at a $1.25 price point, these are the 5 areas of the store that are still an amazing deal at the Dollar Tree. And the first are the serveware, and I'm talking about the clear and acrylic serveware. I love this for around my house for organization. We have it in our medicine cabinet, in our cabinetry. This is a fantastic score. And all of the party supplies. The last couple of years, they really stepped up their game with super giant things. Check out this giant dinosaur cutout. They have paper plates, they have favors, lots of this rivals what you're going to see at Party City and Walmart, and at $1.25 is still an awesome price. The cards are also a fantastic deal no matter how you cut it. They are $6 and $7 in other stores, and here you get 2 for $1, or coming up 2 for $1.25. Still a fantastic deal, and this is the Hallmark brand. Up next are the cleaning products. You always want to check the price per ounce, but LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner is one of my favorites. It's an amazing degreaser. It works great on upholstery and even the siding of your house. Some of these are going to be a better deal at Walmart, especially if you're looking at the amount that you're getting, but that one is what I would stick with along with the glass window cleaner, a fantastic deal from the Dollar Tree. And I think the crafters section is going to have a huge boost. I love it anyway. Lots of these items are a great deal, even at that $1.25 price point, and hopefully this is going to expand. One deal I don't want you to miss are the mini wooden crates. It's one of the easiest DIYs to give these a quick stain and glue them together. It's the perfect centerpiece you can change out over the seasons. Up next are seasonal items, and there's a few that I want you to keep your eyes peeled for. The first are their plates. They are absolutely adorable, a great price point, and their decor, especially the wall decor. You can make some really cool DIYs, and some of the pieces are a lot bigger than they used to be. I really love them. The cooking pans are also a great deal. You can't beat this price. And take this little 4-pack and just keep these in your cabinet, and that way you can easily send people home with leftovers after the holidays. Obviously, the organization products, no matter what, I still think are going to be a good deal, especially the ones that are really high quality. The ones that are thicker plastic like this, these drawer liners, lots of them even come in packs of 3. I use these all over my house and will continue to do so. Things that aren't going to be such a great deal are things like paper products, paper towels, even some food products. You're going to be paying a lot more than you would at other stores. Air fresheners like this one you can find for under $1 at the grocery store, so you're going to want to stay away from stuff like this. I rave about these all the time, but the Sure Fresh containers with the locking lids are a great deal and still are. These extra large storage bags are also fantastic, especially for holiday decor, and now is the time to scoop them up. Still a really good deal. Certain things might seem like a great deal, like for example, this 2-pack of non-slip hangers, but you can get these for a lot cheaper at Walmart. This is a brand new product and a great deal. Small jars and large jars. They are glass and they have screw-off lids. This is a great find and a brand new product. A surprisingly great deal are the car cleaning supplies, the tire cleaners, and the best brand is this Armor all-purpose cleaner. It works awesome. You have to give this one a try. Ultimately, your phone is your best friend. Price compare online. This same container of envelopes is about $7 at other stores, and here it is just $1 or $1.25. Great deal. This is fun and surprising. The hair supplies have really stepped up their game. Lots of these headbands are super on trend. This is the same stuff you're going to be finding in stores that are literally septuple the price. Lots of cute stuff for girls, but also for women too. I've loved this the last 6 months. And I know this sounds totally crazy, but these cushion brushes are awesome. I have one I have used for years from the dollar store. The makeup section has tons of name brand hidden gems. These together retail for $15 in other stores, and here you can get them for just $2.50. Promise me you will never ever buy toys from the dollar store, except for these 3 things. The first one are these balls. My kids love these, and this is a great price. Hold on. These Hot Wheels racetracks are 10 out of 10 and literally so cheap. My kids love them. These bubbles are consumable and a great gift idea from Santa. They rock. I just left the Dollar Tree. I'm so grateful for this community. I met 4 viewers today. It was so much fun. And we got to talking in store about the price change, and something that all of us mentioned was this price increase really affects families who shop at Dollar Tree for food, specifically the elderly population who may not be able to afford their weekly grocery budget, and how every store right now, prices are at an all-time high for food, and how it really impacts those struggling populations. So I thought in today's video, the Super Thanks button, which you can find down below, 100% of the Super Thanks given to this video through the end of the year will be donated to Meals on Wheels America, which helps serve elderly and bring them meals all across the nation. We're in the Dollar Tree decorating our homes on the dime. We can be thankful for the food that we have on the table and pass that along this holiday season. So if you're interested, that is down there. I am so grateful for this community. Give the gift of kindness this season. I am so thankful for you guys. If nobody has told you, you are enough. I will catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe so I can see you there. Bye. Still an amazing deal at the Dollar Tree. And the first one, actually right here. Look at, they have big gnomes and little gnomes just like this. What do you think?
Yeah, we're pretty good on gnomes, I think.
But I love them. I think I want this.
I actually think you should get that.
You do?
Yeah.
Charlie approves this message? Yes.